I had undergone the hair transplant in the year 2016, April 14. Uh, but unfortunately, that transplant was a failure case, and now uh, I'm undergoing the repair case, again the transplant by the doctor called as Sreedhar Pothula. I really don't think it's important to tell the name. Think that I'm the well wisher for all those who have lost their hairs in the early stages. So you can see my head here with the good density of the hairs. Wherein the first time I have undergone the hair transplantation in one of the hair transplant clinic which is located in Jayanagar 9 block, wherein uh, I'm not that satisfied or I'm not that happy by the hair transplantation which was done first time in Jayanagar 9 block, wherein it uh, came out as the disastrous to me, wherein with lot of, I wasted a lot of money behind the first hair transplant, wherein I was being staying away for almost 3 months after hair transplant from my home.